Can we see deleted messages on Discord? Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to find out, so let's just get started. First of all, open up Discord application. Open up Discord, and once you open up Discord you can just log in into your account and head over to one of the chats or channels where you have a message. So first of all, let's head over to one. So if you have deleted a message, in order to delete it, you just need to long press on the message and a menu appears. From the given menu, when you scroll down and look for this option of delete message, confirm it by tapping on yes. It will directly delete your message. So if you're trying to retrieve that message to see the deleted message on Discord, unfortunately you cannot see the deleted message on Discord. So once the message has been deleted from your chats, it is removed from Discord servers and is not accessible to everyone, including the person who deleted it. So the squad's privacy stance ensures that the deleted messages are not stored and cannot be retrieved. Even if you are the admin of the server, you cannot see the deleted messages in the same way as they are removed from the server's history. So that's it for now. This is how you find out we cannot do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.